Hello guys, how have you been? My name is Lindenberg Benas. I work as a senior Salesforce industry developer based in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. Today, I want to talk about custom functions. It's a very funny situation that I worked with in a project for about some years. We use so many times replace string function, which I imagined that was out of box. A change project, the function was not there. Called to my friend Grazi, and she said something. It should be a custom function. I said, "What? What is that?" I feel like a John Travolta on meme. And she sent me these two links from documentation, while will be available on description from this video, okay? So what we have here, in fact, it's a function passing parameters, as arguments to an Apex class. Apex class process everything, and then we have the return. I have one method here already done. Should be this one. While I convert map list, pass three parameters, but two of them are not mandatory. This map input to be converted. Here, I convert this map on a list map, so I can also pass the value from key from the key from key and the key from value from map. It will be more clear when we can see the transformation. Okay, so I already retrieved, deployed this class on my org. Don't worry, we have this one. You can use that one. In fact, I did, but the manual, I just implemented one method more. And let's figure out how to create the specific the function, the custom function, okay? So, if to here, say, setup, custom metadata types, looking for function definition. You see here there is some list, includes the replace all, which I commented before. Let's create a brand new. I'll call map to list. Should be this one. Here the same. So I'll pass the name of my class, which is custom function, but I could define by myself. And also the name of a method. So this name of the method name, it will be passed from here. And according to the name of the method, I choose the method at all. Of course, it makes sense to use the same values. So I pass map to list, and here I use the method map to list. So pass map to list as a method. Save. So now I have a custom function. Let's see how it works. Let's create a new data mapper. CF data mapper transform. Here's the name red. Transform. So let's go. I have already payload here. This will be map 1. Let's create a formula. Form list 1. As you see, my formula is here, my custom function is here. The same like out of box 1. Just to confirm, map 1. Transform my input to be this formula and list 1. So on my new formula, I pass just the map, this one. So as you can see here, we have a list 1, which I define on the data mapper. Then I transform the map on a list map, key and value. You see here, the same key and value here. And here. Okay, let's think that I want to, for some reason, have some specification. And my key. Oops. My value. So, as I told you, I can customize these parameters, these keys from my list map. Okay, it's very useful in so many applications, in the PC, for example. And how about if I have something like that here? How it be? Do you see that here have a parameter with name, another parameter with string, another parameter with integer. Here it's a boolean. Here I have a map, and here I have a list map. How my function will deal with that? So we have that. My value, it is the list map as a value, and key fonts. Do you see fonts? My value as an object, as you can see here, and my key is attributes. Okay, my key is Brazilian and the value is true. The same here and here. So this function is very useful. Okay, we can consider as Apex customization, we need to make a test class and so on. But after this little work, after these few lines of code, As you can see here, I don't know, 30 more or less, we have a function that can be used for years for many developers in the project, especially when we needed to deal with key values, when we needed to deal with keys. In OmniStudio is always a problem. We are done to deal with values, but not with key parameters. Okay? Well, it's what I want to show for this session. I hope that you like, that you enjoy, that can be useful, and see you on next video.